Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to change your name in Facebook in the Android. Okay, first of all you go to the Facebook app and then you go to click the icon of a profile, your own profile, and then you scroll down click on setting and privacy, and then go to the setting and click on see more in account center and go to the profile and go to the profile Facebook and then go to the name. Now you can change your name here. You can change whatever you want, like yeah, I will put my name like Hu Chin, like that, and then click on review change, but my name I don't want to change. So thank you guys, this is how you change your name in Facebook. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you want me to do any other other video. Please don't forget to comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it. Have a good day. Thank you.